Hey maker, if your product photos are turning out blurry, soft, or just not as sharp as you'd hoped, even when you're using your smartphone in good light, this video's for you. If this is your first time joining me, hey, I'm Christina Nicole, product photography coach for makers. Today, I'm walking you through 4 easy things you can do to fix blurry smartphone photos. No fancy gear or technical skills required. So fix number 1 is to lock your focus. Your smartphone is smart, but it doesn't know what part of the image is most important. So it's constantly adjusting focus even while you're holding still. That's how your product ends up a little soft or fuzzy. Here's what to do. Before you take the photo, tap and hold on your product until you see the words AF lock pop up on the top. That locks the focus and exposure so your smartphone stops guessing and keeps your product sharp. Fix number 2, use a tripod. Even the steadiest hands cause small movements, and that's enough to blur your photo, especially in low light. A tripod keeps your smartphone completely still so nothing shifts during the shot. And yes, it makes a huge difference. Fix number 3, use a Bluetooth shutter. Now, even with a tripod, if you're tapping the screen to take the photo, you're still creating just enough movement to blur the image or make it look soft. A Bluetooth shutter or remote lets you take a picture without touching your smartphone at all, and that tiny change equals much sharper results. Fix number 4, frame it right. If you're standing too far back and then cropping a significant part of the photo to zoom in on your product, you're throwing away pixels. That makes your photo look softer and less clear. Instead, move closer and frame your shot tighter before you take the picture. You'll get a much sharper photo without losing quality in the edit. These small changes can completely upgrade your smartphone product photos with no expensive gear and no photography degree. Just simple, smart tweaks that make a big difference. When your photo looks sharp and clean, your product feels professional, and shoppers notice that immediately. See you next time.